Hi, welcome. My name is Amazing Prosper. How you guys doing? So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I traded last week as a Forex day trader. Yeah, so last week was the first week I started trading, and it was like something crazy. Like last week, you know what happened? NFP, all the news and everything happening. Market can go in a one direction for a long period of time, but this is one thing that we don't understand as Forex trader. We are always thinking that because the market sold, is going to buy. Because it's buying, that means let's wait for it to sell. That doesn't happen always, so you have to know when to follow the trend and keep doing the same thing. But now this is not how it works. Sometimes it will sell in one direction for a long period of time, and that's what happened on GJ. So because market have sold, that doesn't mean that it's going to buy, and because market bought doesn't mean that it's going to sell. So this is one thing I have learned in on GJ, and let's go to the chart now. Let me show you guys the best way. Yeah, let's go. So this is very important for you to pay attention to. Trading is not all about quantity, but it's more about quality. So most of us are not making the kind of money we want from trading because we are trying to copy others. Bro, this game, you have to come to realize or a point where you know that this is you versus you. I have been saying this for a while, bro. I'm also talking to myself. This is me versus me. This is me versus me. The game is me versus me. So for me to understand that on the chart that I made a mistake here, at this point I made a mistake. I'm supposed to be looking for a sell opportunity, which is the market always show you what to do, but because of the bias that we have, that's human being. That's why robots, like people that has bots that is trading for them, most time the bot trade more better than human, because bot only follows what is programmed. Like if you program bot to see 1 or 2 to take action, that's what the bot is going to do. But we human, we always form bias. My bias was clear. I was looking for a buy opportunity when I'm supposed to be looking for a sell opportunity. The market was showing me clearly. Every moment the market shows something. Every moment, if you go on 15 minutes, you see it. If you go on 30 minutes, you see it. Here is a clear first leg, second leg. That's a very big bearish move. Could have made a lot of money from there. God, this is 2025. Some of the mistakes that I'm doing last 2 years, I am done. I don't want to be doing them again, bro. Here was another opportunity. Here, it took me out here. It took me out, came down. Here, I won't blame myself much about it because the market moves up to my expected direction. Just that my stop loss was closer. My stop loss was tight. My stop loss was the right place where I was supposed to keep it. Yeah, so here I didn't blame myself much on this particular one. But here, I don't know why was I looking for a buy opportunity. I know at that moment I would say that I will call this a first leg, second leg, but the candles are not even much. That's supposed to be a very big sell opportunity. Look at just let's remove this guy. Look at what is happening here. Why am I looking for a buy opportunity here? Trading is hard, actually, because nobody is coming to save you. This is you versus you, unless you are moving from one signal group to another, unless that's what you are doing. But if you want to make this thing happen for you, this is you versus you. I'm talking to myself too. So this is it. I am wrong here. I lost money here. I lost money here. I was wrong. Clearly, this is a sell move. First leg, second leg for me, and this is on a psychology level, if that's what I'm looking at for. So this is GJ. So this year we have to upgrade, we have to build ourselves up, we have to do this. For this to work, we have to make it work. Nobody is coming. So this is how I'm going to be going live every day. On Tuesday we are going live. By tomorrow, Tuesday, by 8:30, we are going to be going live. Let's talk about chart. 8:30 p.m. sorry, yeah. 8:30 p.m. we are going to be coming live together. Let's talk about charts, psychology, discipline, set out things that you need to do. You know, I love growth, the way growth moves. Let me bring out growth. I love how growth moves. I'm having a double mind between growth and US 30. They want to grow more, but US 30 require me to be trading with CNBC. That's where I'm a kind of I don't want to do that. I don't want to be going to that CNBC, all those things. I don't want to be doing them. Actually, I just want to do something that is with only technical. I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, that's what I want to do. So, but right now, growth is also good for me. The way growth is moving, I like it. Actually, drop a comment below if you like growth too. So I want to also study how growth move, but you know, I have been too familiar with JJ, which is why I'm also more. I'm not happy seeing myself losing money on GG when it is showing me something clearly. I'm not happy seeing myself losing money on GG, bro. I've been on this game for like, this year will make me like 3 years. Yeah, 3 years in a row. I can say I started fully on June 22. That was when I started, June 22, 2022. Yeah, June 22, 2022. That was when I started fully. I put my time and everything, learning just to make this thing work. So if you calculate that time between that then and now, I've spent about almost 3 years into this game, bro. That's half a decade. So that's almost half a decade. So, bro, I need to make this thing work for me. I am not happy that I'm not making this work for me. Yeah, so I need to be making money. I need to buy a Lambo. Yeah, Lambo is also good, but for now I need to buy a ride. I like Range Rover Vela. I like Range Rover Vela. I like that car. I wanna get a Range Rover. I wanna buy a Toyota Prado. This chart will have to work for me. So looking at the chart, all I'm seeing is this. All these things are very clear. Go on 15 minutes, you see that this thing will test on this zone, multiple week rejection on this particular zone here too, on the psychology level. Even if you didn't take this, here it's supposed to be an opportunity to go short. Open your eyes, can't you see? This is it. Opportunity to go short. Even chart pattern is showing you first break low, come back, create another low, come back, create another high, which is very clear. This is the fundamental things we know about trading. What is happening clearly? Hope you're learning something from this thing that I'm showing you. This thing, the chart will always show you what is happening, but our eyes are always blind. Our eyes are always blind not to see what is happening on the chart. Can't you see what is happening over here? This is a very, can you see here? A push to the upside, then come back, create a low, push to the upside, rejected to go up more, created a low. This high is supposed to be higher than this high, but it wasn't. So what happened? It broke this high, create another high that is not higher than this high. Now what is happening? The market has reversed from uptrend to a downtrend. Remember, uptrend has low, a lower low, a lower high, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low. That's supposed to create another higher high, but it didn't happen. What happened? It broke that lower high. And remember, in a structure, when the market breaks a lower high, what is happening? That's a change of structure, a change from trend. That's a trend change. Do you see it? So now what is happening? The market has created another lower low, created another lower high, which is not higher than this. What is happening? The market is showing you that the market has reversed, now created another lower low, which is lower than this low. What are you seeing? The market is on a downtrend. And another confirmation, between 195.500, a psychology level, what happened? The market came back there to create a lower high, which is not higher than this high, which is, even if you are trading a zone, you will know that this place is a retest of this lower low. This is a retest of that lower low. Are you seeing it? Of this lower low, this is a retest of it, and you can see a multiple week rejection here, brother. This is by 2:30 New York session, Thursday 9. Get in here, you will make money here. That's where the money is. This is the place. I will make money from here. If I get in there and I'm targeting the next psychology level, if I get in there and that's it. Are you seeing it? That's it. That's 100 and something pips. Clear? Are you seeing it? 100 and something pips. Bro, that's Lamborghini money, depending on your loss size. That's Lamborghini, and my stop loss is just above here. Or even if I want to make it so tight here, 20, let's make it 20 pips. I'm okay. That's Lamborghini, bro. That's 100 let's make it 100 pips. Let's call it 100 pips. That's Lamborghini, depending on your loss size. This year, 2025, I don't care about what is happening. The thing that I'm going to doing this year is very clear. I think my problem all this while is that I'm trying to predict the markets. Nobody predicts the market. You can't predict the markets. All you can do is control risk. You can't predict the market. If you are trying to predict the market, you are not going to be making money from the market. The market doesn't pay people who predict the market. The market pays people who know how to react according to what is happening. That's what the market does. Look at here. Here was around the NFP period, New York session. This is it. All these things was in the morning. People lost money over here. Here was in the morning too. Here was in the morning around, Friday. Okay, this is Friday, yeah. This is Friday. Here. Around here, people lost money here. Even me too, I was looking for a buy opportunity over there. That's what I'm saying. But the market is showing clearly what is happening. On a psychology level, the market is retesting. This is 1 hour. Let's go on 5 minutes. 15 minutes. If you go on 15 minutes, you can see a very clear thing. Clear. This formation, this close of this 15 minutes here below this 194.500 psychology level. If you go on a lower time frame, you will see a candle formation that will show you that's an entry. If you go on a lower time frame, you will see a candle formation. You see very clear. What are you seeing here? Bearish engulfing. Here is your opportunity to get in. Chart pattern is clear. Double top. Clear. Are you seeing it? Very clear. Even if I am putting my trend line through, which what I normally use over here, this is it. Let's make it more realistic. Even if I'm having it here, even if I'm having it somewhere here, that's a very clear break. Are you seeing it? That's a very clear break of counter trend line. This is it. This is a sell opportunity. So this year, bro, I'm not playing. I'll make money from this chart. GJ. I'm focusing on GJ. Yeah, in as much as I want to add gold to it, but my eyes is on GJ. I don't know. I'm in love with GJ, and I know that this pair is going to pay me what I need. Only this pair is going to give me all I need. So I have to make more of it. I have to make money from it before I jump to that gold. I know I love gold. I want to be trading gold now. I've said it before, but GJ, first thing first, bro. I have not made the money that I want from GJ. If I have made up to like $1 million from GJ, I will be happy then move to gold, no problem. But now, so let's make this year count. This is it. So what I'm going to be doing very clear now is every day I wake up, I will try as much as possible to empty my mind. I don't want to think about any bias. I'm not supporting any buys or low. All I'm seeing is what the chart is showing. Once I'm in, I'll write out my strategy on my screen and watch them. Once I see the market shows me what I need, whether it's buy or sell, I'm getting in. That's it. So that's clear. That's what I'm doing. So this week, I'm seeing the chart is very clear right now. What is it called? GJ is a kind of bearish move. So if you go on 4 hours, let's see what is happening. So on 4 hours, you see that this was on 4 hours, okay, on 4 hours, very clear. The market is a kind of trading downward here, which is here. So if you zoom out, you will know that the market is on a bearish trend. Yeah, the market is on a bearish trend. According to what I'm seeing here, the market is on a bearish trend. Reverse up here, but this is a low. This is a low that created this high, which is the recent low, created the high. But here, magic, come back here. This is a retest of that low that created that high, the highest high at this point. This is it. Came back, created a double top, reverse, come here, came back here. It didn't break that low. First time it didn't break the low, but here it has broken the low over here. Are you seeing it? It has broken the low over here. Yeah, but some people will tell you that this is the low, but me, I think it's this. I think it's this here. So from next week, if you go on 1 hour, you will see it's very clear that the market is on a bearish trend. Are you seeing it on 1 hour? So the current trend on GJ right now is bearish. Clearly, on GJ, the market is on a bearish trend. So let's draw this trend line. Let's bring it out here. So that's it. So here, remember what the market is doing clearly. The market will break and retest. So over here, everybody is feeling somehow. But me, what I'm going to be trading very clear from now on is that once I see a retest on the psychology level, once psychology level is close by and I'm seeing how the candle is moving, once my strategy shows, I am in. That's what I'm going to be doing from now on. So I'm not going to be taking any buyers. I'm not going to be buying or selling or this kind of a thing. I'm looking for a buy opportunity. No, my daddy doesn't know what is Forex, so I don't care about I don't care about who or anybody who you think you are when it comes to the Forex market. From now on, I'm going to be reacting instead of predicting here. So that's what I'm doing. So that's how I want you guys to be trading this year. If you want to join me, this clear, join me. We are going to be going live, as I said. So that's it. So I'm putting out my zones here. So that's my zone. So that's my psychology level. Here. So that's my psychology level. So another psychology level will be on 25500. I think there's a psychology level there already. Okay, 25500. That's another one. Okay, so let's put another one. So that's where the market is approaching next. So the market closed at 192.449. So and it's approaching, the market is approaching 192,200 psychology level zone. So that's it. That's how I traded, and that's how I'm going to be trading. So let's stay on. Join me on Tuesday by 8:30 p.m. I'm going to be coming live. So that's how I traded last week, and I promise that this week I'm going to do better. I'm going to be trading very conservative this week. And one thing I want to do this week is very clear. I want to be mindful about my trades. This is one thing that we traders don't understand. We are full of information. We are bombarded with so many information, so many strategies, so many things happening online, and now we are not being fully involved in what we are doing. So we are going to be going live Tuesday night by 8:30 p.m. So from 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. that's 1 hour. Talk about trade, talk about mindfulness, talk about trading, psychology, discipline, and every other thing. So you guys should join me. So join the Telegram channel, join the family,
I'm expecting you there. So see you guys in the next video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, turn on the notification.